Yeah.
Congratulations! You found all 7 notebooks! Now all you need to do is...
Why are you...
Hey!
You silly thing.
Okay.
Class dismissed.
Huh?
Sorry. Yeah, boy.
You need to grow up.
Sorry. Yeah, boy.
You need to grow up. You need to grow up.
No.
Yeah, boy.
Oh my god.
Nutrients is fuck nigga, and that is the lesson for today. You stand up. What is the answer, nega? Fuck you, sir. Me, sir. Your answer, nigga, is a correct.
Oh,
Huh?
Okay.
Sir me, I know the question.
Get over here! Huh? No.
fuck you! What is that?
Huh?
Help me! Help!
Oh my god, bro. Oh, hell no. Huh?
They ask you how you are, you just say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand. They ask you how you are, you say that you're fine,
No.
when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.